Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about different math functions that are used in PHP to get required functionality. Very important function that are used to solve any specific problem that is related to mathematical. So one of them is abs. Abs means absolute. Sin h. So these are different methods. You can see that. Another is a square root. So these are different methods. These are the methods that are related to math. If you want to solve different mathematical problem, you can use these type of method. Now I open Visual Studio Code and provide different example. I will use some of them methods to how these work, and if you have any confusion about any method, you can discuss with me. Now I open Visual Studio Code and see result of different methods. In a Visual Studio Code, creating a new file and save this file, mathfunctions.php. Now paste here. Math functions. Now what we have to do, I have a list. Sorry. These are the some methods I will use. I did not want to make comment. So this method is to check whether number is finite or not. So I have a number, for example a variable, and its value is 10. Now I want to pass this one whether is this is finite or not, and echo, and then what we have to do, where from so getting a new line. Now it will display answer in the form of Boolean value whether it is finite or not. So another is a minimum. You have to pass different number, for example 10, 20, 3, 42. So these are different number that will return a maximum number. I store that maximum number in a max, and then max, it will display maximum number, sorry, minimum number. This is a minimum number. Another is a, sorry, it will return a minimum number. Another is a maximum. Just change word max, this will be a max. Another is a, you can determine square root of any number. For example, I have a variable in which 10 is stored. I want to find square root of 10, so its result should be stored in a variable square root of number, and display that square root of s in this variable. Now another is a round. We can round off any number, any floating number, and its result should be stored in a variable round number, and display that number using echo method, semicolon. So another is a tangent. You can provide tangent value and echo, for example 0.4. we can also echo its value 0.3, sine value is 0.4, echo, and absolute echo, and it will change to negative. For example, it will change to positive. For example, negative 4.5, it will give you answer positive 4.5. so this is used to check whether given number is nan or not. So it will display answer in true false. I pass that number whether 10 is finite or not. whether 10 is finite or not. Another is a method that is used to convert radian to degree and degree to radian. So you can check your answer. You have to provide in a radian. So here you have to provide in a degree. So it will convert radian to degree and degree to radian. Now what we have to do? We have to get a new line after this one, and then after this one. So it will display whether it is finite or not. It display minimum number, it should display maximum number, and this should display square root of given number. So another is a, it should display round off number of this one as we have provided. Another is a, it used to return value of tangent, value of cos, and value of sine, value of this absolute method that will be in positive, and another is a value of is nan method, and at the last it used to show you radian to degree result and degree to radian result. Now I have saved this file and then open the browser and then remove this one. This is our file math function. Syntax error echo, put a semicolon, semicolon. Now refresh, you can see that all the numbers are displaying here. So just I want to show you. At first it is displaying float, whether it is finite or not. Yes, true, it is finite. Returning minimum number, that is a 3, and returning maximum number, that is a 54, and also displaying 54. Another is the square root of 10. This is square root of 10. Round off 4.454, displaying only 4. So another is a value of tangent. This is 4. This is a value of tangent, value of cos, value of sine. This is a value coming from absolute method that is used to convert a number, negative number, to positive. And another is a whether it is nan or not, displaying that false, it is not nan, this is number. So another is a we provide a value of radian converted to degree. We provide a degree, that is provided answer in radian. So these are different mathematically functions you can use to problem solving in related to math. So these are different math related function. If you want to solve different mathematical problem, you can solve using these methods, because you can use different trigonometric functions, other functions you can use to solve different math related problem. If you have any confusion, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.